Welcome to freewebsitesite.com, your ultimate playground for bringing big ideas to life. We make it effortless for you to build, design, and launch the website of your dreams without needing a single line of code. With our vibrant templates, dynamic tools, and round-the-clock support, there's nothing stopping you from turning your vision into reality. Let's ignite your creative spark and build something extraordinary, because at freewebsitesite.com, it's all about freedom. Let's get started now.
Hey everyone, and welcome to another deep dive. We're tackling the ultimate guide to Autoglass website design and marketing today. It's amazing how many business owners are, kind of clueless about websites, but we're here to demystify all that.
What's really cool about this guide is how it zeroes in on local SEO. Because for Autoglass, it's not enough to just be online. You got to be findable by folks nearby who need immediate help, right?
So local SEO, I see GMB mentioned a lot. Google My Business. I get that it's important, but honestly, using it well is a bit of a head scratcher for me.
Think of your GMB like it's your shop window, but on Google Maps. When someone searches Autoglass repair near them, bam, that profile often pops up first.
Makes sense.
This guide's big on packing your GMB with local keywords, your description, everything, and reviews. Man, those 5-star ratings, they work wonders.
Totally agree. Like when I'm hunting for a good restaurant, reviews make the difference.
They're huge GE.
Speaking of persuasive, this guide says businesses with GMB photos get 42% more direction requests. Guess a few good pics go a long way.
Oh, absolutely. Builds trust, shows people what you're about. But here's the thing. Most folks nowadays are glued to their phones.
True. So how's that impact an Autoglass website?
Massively. Over 60% of searches are mobile now, the guide says. Google knows this, so mobile-friendly sites get priority. They suggest using those Google tools, the mobile-friendly test, page speed insights, all about that smooth, fast experience on phones.
Yeah, nothing worse than a website taking ages to load, especially when you've got a busted windshield and need a solution, like yesterday. This guide also mentioned tiny PNG for images, apparently. Those tiny delays while pics load can really tank your conversions.
Micro moments matter. Speaking of helping Google understand your site, we gotta talk schema markup. Sounds techie, but it's gold.
Schema markup. Okay, I've heard the term, but need a little, explain it like I'm 5 here.
It's like giving Google a cheat sheet for your website,
Huh.
Helps it grasp what your content's actually about so you show up in the right searches, speaking Google's language. And there are tools for the schema markup generator, Google's rich results test. They make it pretty painless.
So like subtitles for a foreign film, making it all clear.
Exactly. This guide also mentions free websites. Site.com seems they've got a lot of these SEO tools built in.
Interesting. Could you really have templates, mobile-first design, and schema markup all in one place without needing to code?
That's their claim. They even boast year make model data going way back to 1949, like a one-stop shop for Autoglass businesses going digital.
That's pretty impressive. Definitely worth checking out, especially if the tech side of SEO seems scary.
Agreed. Especially for smaller businesses, it could be huge.
So we've covered that SEO stuff, but what about the site itself? Design, making it pull in customers, that's the whole point, right?
It's true, a pretty website's nice, but useless if it doesn't equal more jobs booked. The guide's big on turning visitors into paying customers.
How do we do that, though?
Calls to action, that's key.
CPAs, right. I gotta admit, those sometimes go over my head. What makes a good one?
Clear, short, impossible to miss. Like, book now, get your free quote. Strong verbs, Placement's huge, too. Put them where people can't help but see them, top of the page even.
So no more hiding contact us way at the bottom.
Exactly. Make it easy for folks. This guide has a cool tip. A/B testing. Try different CTAs, different spots, see what clicks best.
Love that. Data-driven. Okay, besides the CTA, how do we make our site trustworthy looking?
Trust is everything. Testimonials, those work. Certifications, warranties, anything that screams legit.
Like walking into a mechanic shop, right? If it's clean, organized certificates on the wall, you instantly relax a bit.
Exactly. That same vibe, but online. And speaking of easy, let's talk bookings.
Been thinking about that. So many places do online booking now.
Game changer for everyone. This guide mentions simplybook.me integrates right into your site. 247 bookings.
Huge. Especially those late night, oh no, my windshield moments. No more waiting till morning to call.
Right. Plus automatic confirmations, reminders, less no-shows, little things, big impact. This guide's good at pointing those out.
All about convenience. Okay, switching gears a bit. Content marketing. Important, I know, but always seemed kind of vague to me. What's that mean for Autoglass practically?
It can be a lot, yeah. Basically, it's giving good info, stuff that pulls people in, the right people. Like, the guide suggests Google Keyword Planner. See what folks are actually searching for.
So, like, I check how many people are looking for windshield repair tips near me, then what, write a blog post about that? Or even a video?
Bingo. Meet them where they're at online, needing answers. You give good info consistently. Boom, you're the expert they trust.
I like that. Showing, not just telling.
And visuals, don't underestimate them. Guides suggest how-to videos, super engaging, easy to follow.
Oh, for sure. I'm a visual learner. A video of fixing a chip is way better than just reading about it.
YouTube's your friend there. Make a channel. SEO optimize those videos, people will find them.
Love it. Okay, earlier we mentioned testimonials, but this guide also says user-generated content, UGC. What's that then?
Stuff your customers create. Photos, videos, reviews, word of mouth, but supercharged. Encourage them to share their good experiences, maybe even a little reward for doing so.
So if someone's thrilled with their windshield repair, we say, hey, post a pic of it on Instagram, shout us out.
Exactly. That genuine stuff on your site, your socials, it's powerful.
Social proof. Yeah, it's convincing. Okay, one last thing before we wrap up. Digital ads. Important, but man, it's a maze out there. So many platforms, so many strategies, it's a lot.
Yeah, no kidding. But this guide breaks it down, well, Google ads, the Facebook and Instagram ads, even remarketing.
Remarketing, right. Remind me what that is again.
It's like someone checks out your site but doesn't buck anything. Remarketing's those ads that follow them around online, gently reminding them you exist, staying top of mind, you know?
So it's like, hey, remember that crack, we can still fix it.
Exactly. And the guide says it works really well to bring those folks back and turn them into actual customers.
Makes sense. But with all this stuff going on, how do we even know what's working?
Data, my friend. This guide's big on tracking everything. Google Analytics, Search Console, all that. They show you what's clicking with people, literally.
Data is king.
No doubt. And don't forget A/B testing. Try different versions of your site, your ads, see what performs better. Headlines, images, you name it.
Always be testing, always be tweaking. That's the message I'm getting.
You got it. The online world changes constantly. The businesses that thrive are the ones rolling with those punches, using data to guide them.
This deep dive has been seriously eye-opening. So many good tips for Autoglass businesses to, like, really up their online game.
Glad to share it all. And hey, remember, you don't need to do everything at once. Even small steps that GMB profile, a strong call to action, those make a difference.
If you're ready to dive deeper, check out the source material, The Ultimate Guide to Autoglass Website Design and Marketing. We'll link it in the show notes. Now, one last thought before we go. What would make you trust an Autoglass company online? What info do you need? What makes a site feel legit? Keep those questions in mind as you build your online presence. That's all for today's deep dive. Catch you next time.
Welcome to freewebsitesite.com, your ultimate playground for bringing big ideas to life. We make it effortless for you to build, design, and launch the website of your dreams without needing a single line of code. With our vibrant templates, dynamic tools, and round-the-clock support, there's nothing stopping you from turning your vision into reality. Let's ignite your creative spark and build something extraordinary, because at freewebsitesite.com, it's all about freedom. Let's get started now.